Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Rio from BuiltbyYO and my guy
We're the Grease Monkey.
And today we're about to unbox these bed slides for our daily drivers. When I say daily drive, I mean our daily trucks that we drive around.
All right, so now we're finna unbox these storage solutions and let's see what they sent us. These are made by LTA Manufacturing, and like the brand of this specific bed slide is Loadmaster, and these are the HD Pros. So the top one is for the AT4, which is a 2020 GMC Denali 2500. And then the bottom one is an 8-foot bed that's for the 2017 Chevy 3500 dually. So the top one is also a 6.5 foot bed slide. And then like I said, the bottom one is an 8-foot. So, hey, let's open them up and see what we got. Yep. Excuse how this box look when we picked them up from the distribution, center.
It was storming.
Yeah. And then it rained for a couple days after that too. Yep. So the box a little ugly, but hey, the product inside the box still should be perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So,
and we'll also say Denali, but it's a Sierra, even though they the same truck.
Oh,
so I just want to clarify that up,
The last one down there.
Holy moly, donut shop. Watch out, Squirt. Whoa. Squirt he was backpedaling. Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
That's real nice.
So these only come powder coated black. I'm sure you can take it apart and repowder coat it to do whatever kind of color matching you want for your truck. Yeah, that's heavy. That's real heavy. So they come in a bolt-in option and then like a non-drilling option where it just kind of like straps in to like the storage hooks like in the bottom of your bed. So that way you ain't got to drill in your bed floor. Except for the 8-foot option. So for like the dualies and any other like the 2500 heavy duty trucks, they only bolt in, so you got to drill through.
Yeah.
But the storage capacity on the 6.5 is 1,500 pounds.
1,500.
So you put you a lot of stuff on this bed slide to get 1,500 pounds.
Sound about right?
Yeah.
I can't wait to use them though, bro. Like this is gonna make it so much easier to load the coolers and the tents onto the trucks, man, when we're going to the car shows. So
instead of having to get in these lifted trucks, now we just slide the bed out to us and you just pick off of it.
That's all. And when we load it, we're gonna slide it all the way out, boom, and slide it back in. You hear me?
So we got another box too that's got like the nuts, bolts, if you wanted to bolt it in, and the straps, just in case you wanted to, strap it down.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the next time you see us with these, we're gonna be installing them.
Yep.
And y'all will really be able to see, how nice these are. All right, so we pulled it out the box, sit it on the ground to really see kind of like how it operates. So, as you can see, we got Candy and Scorpion sitting on it. A little bit of weight.
500 pounds.
These are locking mechanisms right here in the front. This little lock, you just pull it to you, and then it just slides. And then it locks right there, the first locking position. And then it slides all the way out.
Real smooth.
Yeah.
And that's the final locking position?
Yep, final locking position. It comes all the way out.
That's almost like the length of the bed.
Yeah. And these real good ball bearings make it slide effortlessly.
With weight resistance.
Make a really quality product.
And also, you guys, we're gonna drop the link at the bottom. So y'all go check these good people out. Like, share, subscribe, go tell your people, go watch these videos, because we want y'all to have fun as well as us. We can't do it alone. We need y'all. Let's roll.